Ok, students, y como continuamos acá, continuamos con el tema del vestuario. Y lo estamos aplicando a conversaciones. Can I help you? ¿Puedo ayudarte? Okay, so we're going to see, as you can see, puedo ayudarte. Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? May I help you? Son dos tipos de preguntas que podemos hablar, decir, ¿verdad? Puedo ayudarte también, puedo ayudarte, pero may viene siendo un poquito más polite. So here you have the two questions, can and may. The two words, okay? Can and may. Can I speak English? ¿Puedo hablar inglés? May I speak English? Okay? Con las dos palabras estamos haciendo una petición, ¿verdad? Can es el verbo de poder. Okay? May also. Can and may. Here you have, can I go to the party? May I go to the party? We have two ways how to say the same question. Can I go to the party? May I go to the party? Can I drive your car? Can I drive your car? May I drive your car? As you see, nouns, and we're using a possessive, your, possessive pronoun. Drive is the verb, I is a pronoun. Okay, can I drive your car? Very good, excellent. So let's continue. Then we have another question. Here we're going to have conversation using those two questions. Okay, we're going to see the examples. Example. Examples. We're going to see examples. Here you have a conversation. Here you have the keywords. And you have green gloves. Here you have the keywords. Las palabras claves son green and gloves. So here you have the conversation. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a pair of. Here's a nice pair of. But these are. Okay, ya vimos esa frase. These are. But la podemos utilizar como una conjunción, like a conjunction. These are. We're talking about plural. Okay? That's okay. Are very popular this year. So we're going to use those words. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a pair of gloves. Here's a nice pair of gloves. But these are green gloves. That's okay. Green gloves are very popular this year. So as you can see, you have the color green and you have gloves. Guantes. Then we move to the next practice. We have blue and boots, okay? We're talking about colors and accessories and clothes. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking. So we scroll down. Bajamos, we scroll down. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a pair of boots. Here's a nice pair of boots, but these are blue boots. That's okay. Blue boots are very popular this year. Siempre acordémonos de los signos de puntuación. Fijémonos bien en las oraciones bien estructuradas, ¿verdad? Memoricemos, trabajemos, practiquemos esto con un partner, algún compañero, algún familiar. Estemos practicando la conversación. Así se nos hace más fácil utilizar estas frases en nuestro diario vivir. Okay, then we move to pink and pants. Pink is a color, rosado. Pants, pantalones. Vamos a la conversación. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a pair of pants. Here's a nice pair of pants, but these are pink pants. That's okay. Pink pants are very popular this year. Okay, al momento que traducimos esta conversación, que la repetimos, solo que cambiamos las palabras clave, decimos, ¿puedo ayudarte? Sí, por favor, estoy buscando un par de pantalones. Aquí hay un bonito par de pantalones, pero estos son pantalones rosados. Está bien, los pantalones rosados son muy populares este año. Okay, then we move to orange and earrings. Earrings son aretes, okay? Earrings, orange and earrings. Okay, aquí podemos ver, hemos estado utilizando la palabra can. Podemos utilizar también el I, que es un pronoun, help, verb. You is a pronoun. Okay, looking is a progressive verb. Then we use it's an article. Nice is an adjective, es un adjetivo, nice. These are, okay, eso lo vimos en la clase pasada, these are. Cuando hablamos de plurales, estos son, these are, okay, and orange, un color, eso casi hemos visto la mayoría de este vocabulario, okay, that's, okay, here, we're using a contraction. Aquí estamos utilizando una contracción en that's, okay? That is okay. A verb to be, we use a contraction y lo cortamos, is that's. Okay. Some two keywords. We have some two keywords, green stockings. Okay, we're using a color and the stockings. And we're going to use words. Vamos a usar esas dos palabras para completar la misma conversación que podemos aplicar a nuestro día. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a pair of stockings. Here's a nice pair of stockings, but these are green stockings. That's okay. Green stockings are very popular this year. Green stockings. Okay, now let's move to the next words. Red, white, and blue. Rojo, blanco y azul. Mittens or mittens, okay? Vamos a movernos para ver la completación utilizando estas frases, estas palabras. Veamos a nuestra conversación. Help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a pair of mittens. Here's a nice pair of mittens, but these are red, white, and blue. Mittens, that's okay. Red, white, and blue mittens are very popular this year. Okay, now the next words, las siguientes palabras. Polka dot. Ya lo habíamos visto en la otra presentación, pero vamos a repetirlo con la palabra pajamas. Polka dot pajamas. Okay, let's see the conversation. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a pair of pajamas. Here's a nice pair of pajamas, but these are polka dot pajamas. That's okay. Polka dot pajamas are very popular this year. So as you can see, you have these examples the same with different keywords. Es la misma conversación con diferentes palabras clave. Entonces lo que tenemos que hacer es practicar las palabras clave, practicar la conversación cambiando las diferentes palabras clave, vocabulario nuevo, y así tenemos una conversación que podemos aplicar a nuestro diario vivir. Thank you very much.